Welcome to Las Vegas and NADAShow 2020. Today is Valentine's Day, and there's a lot to love this year, so let's get started. Once you've registered and picked up your badges and gift bag, be sure to download the NADAShow app. It's the best way to manage your schedule of workshops, exhibits, and events through My Planner. The NADA Live Stage is back in the main hall this year. We'll hear from guest speakers and industry experts on topics that are vital to your business. Join us today at 1 p.m. to learn more about increasing revenue streams in the modern dealership. Keep in mind, we're live streaming throughout the show, starting with Live Stage today and continuing with general sessions throughout the week. You can catch all the excitement live at nada.org. Our education program kicks off today. We have workshops going all weekend, as well as the Exchange and the Distinguished Speaker Series. As always, if you have questions or need additional information, visit the Social Connection Zone to find out more about everything that's happening this week. The Expo Floor opens tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Come with us to explore the auto industry's premier marketplace with more than 500 companies offering thousands of products, solutions, and services, all in one place. As always, we love to hear from you. Share your experience with us using hashtag NADAShow on social media. There's a lot happening this year, and we look forward to spending the weekend with you. I'm Maggie Clark, and I'll be your host this week at the NADA Show 2020. Let's get this show rolling.